Daily news updates. Jury acquits Karen Reed of murder in 2022 death of Boston police officer, convicts her of DUI. After a high-profile 2-month-long retrial, a Massachusetts jury delivered a verdict Wednesday. Karen Reed, 45, has been found not guilty of second-degree murder, manslaughter while operating a motor vehicle under the influence, and leaving the scene of an accident in the death of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, who was found in a snowbank outside a Canton house party in January 2022. However, the jury convicted Reed of the lesser charge of operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, resulting in a 1-year probation sentence. Legal backstory and second trial. Reed's first trial, held in spring 2024, ended in a deadlocked jury and mistrial when jurors were unable to reach consensus, though several said they believe she was not guilty on 2 of the 3 charges. In the retried case, which commenced in April 2025, prosecutors presented evidence including damaged taillight fragments and sworn testimony about Reed's intoxication. Reed's defense argued that O'Keefe was fatally assaulted inside a police-affiliated home and accused investigators, particularly lead trooper Michael Proctor, of planting evidence and concealing a cover-up. Proctor was subsequently removed from the case after being revealed to have sent biased and derogatory text messages about Reed during the 2024 trial. Reed's supporters, often seen wearing pink bandanas, cheered the verdicts. Outside the courthouse, an audible roar echoed as the judge announced her innocence on the major charges. The O'Keefe family has filed a civil wrongful death lawsuit against Reed and 2 bars that allegedly overserved her the night of O'Keefe's death. Reed has reportedly lost her job, depleted much of her savings, over $5 million in deferred legal fees, and remains in personal limbo, awaiting resolution of the civil case. The verdict has reignited debates on police bias, evidence integrity, and the influence of media pressure in high-profile prosecutions. Legal analysts spotlighted the jurors' cautious approach, first in 2024's mistrial and again in 2025, as emblematic of deep divisions over whether Reed's actions fitted a criminal mold. Defense attorneys, Alan Jackson and David Yannetti, praised the outcome, describing the case as proof that an innocent person can triumph against alleged law enforcement corruption. As of now, Reed remains free under probation. The civil lawsuit from O'Keefe's family is ongoing, and attention is shifting toward whether it will compel her to appear in depositions or court again later this year.